Here's a quick one. Oh, Ratna Lubis was in the morning 7 a.m. session, and she appreciated using it in Indonesia. Okay, so just to wrap up this experience, we brought you in and asked, what are some low leverage things that are out there that you've seen? And we come across this long journey that leads us to, there's no silver bullet. There is silver buckshot. There are possibilities for getting there. We can still do it.
So I have been telling you that we'll be using this tool called En-ROADS. Here is the screenshot of the tool, En-ROADS. So we have many different graphs. It's really interactive. We have different solutions, and as we move these sliders, we'll see changes in these graphs. So just to give a brief idea about some of the features of this tool. So it is free and accessible to anyone who has internet connection. So like I mentioned, Climate Interactive is a not-for-profit organization. So this tool, all the presentations, all the documents, resources that we have developed can be used for free. It's all available on our website. And the really main objective with this tool is to make climate science available and accessible to as many people as possible. This simulator works really fast. You'll see that in a few minutes. And here is a really good code to get started. So this code is from Professor John Sterman of MIT, one of our advisors, and he says that research shows that showing people research doesn't work. Again, a lot of research papers are coming telling about what this climate crisis is about, how bad the impacts will be if the temperature keeps rising. But people often find it very hard to relate to what that means to them in their real lives. That's why we came up with this tool, En-ROADS, which will help you see different scenarios of climate future. And so far, this En-ROADS tool has been used by people from around the world. I'm so glad Ratna is one of our ambassadors and has done some great job in Indonesia and also contributed to our ambassador community. I'll tell more about how you can also become an ambassador and join us towards the later part of this session. Ratna, shall I take a pause here, and would you like to continue?
Yes, of course. Since we are here mixing of audience between English and Indonesia, so I would like to continue my presentation and to share with you all how can I become the ambassador. So I will share my screen. This one.
Yes.
It's okay?
Yes.
So I just got this picture from the website of Climate Interactive. So we are here, Bindu Bandari from Nepal, and me as well. And yes, I searched from the Google, where is Bindu? So I'm here in Bandung and Bindu in Kathmandu, right? And I don't think it's 1 day, 8 hours by airplane. I don't know, but I've never been to Nepal. I wish someday I will go to Nepal and meet Bindu. I just meet Bindu by online, and we are like a family in En-ROADS Climate Interactive. So this is our profile in the website of Climate Interactive. And I just want to share the story of how I become involved in these En-ROADS. So I met Drew back in March 23, 2020, and I was one of the students of Professor Otto Skarmer in edX. So we have many webinars in DOTS, Dialogues on Transforming Society and Self. So during March 23, 2020, Drew was one of the guest speaker in our online reinforcing circle, right?
Feedback loop.
Feedback loop from the book of Fifth Discipline, right? I was studied the book in 2000, the Fifth Discipline. So I just like connecting one dots to another. So I think that's it from me. And this is I got from the website about the training series. I wish our audience here will join our effort to become an ambassador. And this is us. I call it terima kasih, and then I don't know how to call it in Nepali. how to say thank you.
Dhanyabad.
Dhanyabad. So that's it from me. I think we will continue with the simulator. Thank you.